Payal Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we know about Section 482 of CRPC, which is quashing of FIR. The inherent power under Section 482 in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is wide with no statutory limitation. It preserves the inherent powers of the High Court to prevent an abuse of the process of any court or to secure the ends of justice, and therefore the High Court must have due regard to the nature and gravity of the offences. On 4th October 2017, the Honorable Supreme Court in Prabhat Bhai Ahir versus State of Gujarat set out guidelines to be followed by courts in exercise of its inherent power under Section 482 of CRPC. The Honorable Supreme Court summarized the propositions after careful observation of various precedents on this subject. Section 482 preserves the inherent power of the High Court to prevent an abuse of the process of any court or to secure the ends of justice. The provision does not confer new powers, it only recognizes and preserves power which inhere in the High Court. The invocation of the jurisdiction of the High Court to quash a first information report or a criminal proceeding on the ground that a settlement has been arrived at between the offender and the victim is not the same as the invocation of jurisdiction for the purpose of compounding an offence. While compounding an offence, the power of the court is governed by the provisions of Section 320 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. The power of quash under Section 482 is attracted even if the offence is non-compoundable. Informing an opinion whether a criminal proceeding or complaint should be quashed in exercise of its jurisdiction under Section 482, the High Court must evaluate whether the ends of justice would justify the exercise of the inherent powers. Thank you all. If any of the doubts regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.